ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit, wondering how all this started.
Hi, I'm Raimi, and today I want to do soft glam makeup. This was trending on Twitter a couple weeks ago, and this is just like super effortless looking, mostly matte, bronzy makeup that's just seamless and just all flows together. So basically it's just super effortless looking makeup that low-key takes like all the effort in the world, which is like super up my alley if you've watched any of my other tutorials. So here I am, attempting. So I'm gonna use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This has been like my go-to lately, and it's just super pretty finish and like medium to full coverage that you can build up. So I'm in love with it. Fenty is usually my go-to foundation, but this one is just like right up there with that one. It's not dewy, it's not matte, it's just like right in between, and the shade match is perfect. For a soft glam look, you have to have like super full coverage and bright under eyes and like highlighted areas. This concealer matches pretty much perfectly with my foundation, which is what I love about NARS and like their shade range, but I definitely have to bring in another concealer for like brightness. Concealing my brow hairs and, you know, the discoloration on my eyelids, just because the look is so simple, so you want to make sure you pay attention to like all the details. You can see some of my scars on this cheek, but you guys look at this cheek. This cheek is doing so good. There's no pimples and the scarring is like fading a little bit. I don't know how to act. I hate when that happens. I'm gonna set my face with this Mercier powder. It's my favorite one, the translucent one. So I'm just gonna press the powder in with a sponge because it's just gonna leave like a thin layer and then also make it really matte and smooth. Contour my nose with these two shades mixed together. Same two colors to just add some structure to my face with this Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush, but it's just like, I don't know, I just use brushes for whatever. But you guys always ask me where I get these pink brushes from, and I got them in, you know, like previous BoxyCharms. I don't have BoxyCharm anymore, but BoxyCharm always gave like these amazing brushes. So yeah. Cleaning off this bake because honestly I forgot about it. I always just sweep the excess powder into my under eyes and just kind of let it live there, because I don't know, in my brain it makes it look brighter and just like blends it in. I'm gonna try to not put way too much blush on, but it always happens because I don't know what happened to me this year. I just love blush so much. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna put some blush up here just to keep everything really seamless and like matching. Side note, this e.l.f. complexion brush is the softest brush on the entire planet. I love it so much. e.l.f. brushes have always been so good in my opinion, and they're super affordable. So if you're starting out and you need brushes, don't be afraid to go get e.l.f. brushes because they are so good. I'm just gonna highlight my nose. I don't think I'm gonna highlight my cheeks just because I like how it looks really matte. But I definitely think I should highlight my nose to make sure it's like really structured looking. For the eyes, I'm using the Norvina palette and I'm going to use the shade Incense, right? Yeah, I swatched it right here and it's this one. And here we go. I sort of have a plan, but like I don't really know. Basically, I'm going to be doing the most lightest kind of cut crease there is. You're going to want to keep your eyes open because the whole point of like this shape is to make your eyes look bigger. So earlier I was bringing my nose contour up into like this spot where my eye socket is. So I'm basically just going to take the eyeshadow and with my eyes open, just keep that going. And this goes with like the whole seamless thing that we have going on here because we're just taking the contour and turning it into eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the shade called Base in the Norvina palette and I'm going to create a little crease with this eyeshadow instead of concealer just to keep like the soft glam. And I'm doing this with a little Morphe concealer brush. Okay, both of my eyes are done and now I'm going to use this Glossier Lash Slick Mascara. Can I just say I love Glossier so much. Like their packaging is everything. It's baby pink. Come on. I just got their bubble wrap eye cream and it is the best eye cream I have ever tried. I'm making a skincare video super soon because wow, like I have a lot of products that are just really good. I'm not doing lashes for this look because one, all of my lashes are so huge and they would just cover up everything, and lately I've just been digging mascara a lot. I used to wear lashes with every single look and now I'm just more of a mascara girl, which kind of scares me, but it's been working out. I mean, it's been super cute. This is the shade Push Up and it's perfect if you are like my skin color or lip color. It matches my lips so perfectly that when I overline them that it doesn't look like too crazy, you know, you can't really tell. So I really like this one. Okay, now that my lip injections are in, I think I want to do some gloss. This is Morphe Flower Crown, and this is Anastasia in Butterscotch, I think. Yeah. This one's like a little bit more pink, so I think I'm gonna go with the Morphe one, just so it's more like nude. You guys, look at my nails. I asked my nail girl, Mia, for like the most natural color ever, like a clear pink kind of color, and she got it perfect. This is S&S, and they're my real nails because acrylics were killing them, so I'm taking a little break. But oh my gosh, I just wanted to show you because I feel like it's so hard to find like a good clear nude pink. I want to finish off this look with like the tiniest little beauty marks like scattered all over my face. I don't know why I want to do this. I just have like a vision and I think I should go through with it just to spice things up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the shade Passion like I always do for like freckles and whatnot, from the Norvina palette, and I'm using this tiny brush from Aesthetica. It's super tiny and thin. So that was my winter soft glam makeup routine, and I really like it. Also, I haven't done eyeshadow in a really long time, so I'm so proud of myself for like doing this today, even though it's so simple. But you know, you should be proud of yourself for the little things. Also, I feel like beauty marks are so underrated. I think they just elevate everything and just make you look so cool. So yeah, if you ever just feel like your makeup is missing something, try adding like random beauty marks with eyeshadow and you might feel like way too powerful, but like that's the point. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys with my whole entire heart, the whole thing, all of it. If you want to stalk me on any of my social medias like Twitter and Instagram and TikTok, I'll have them all below. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. I'm pretty sure you get like a ton of good karma if you do that. It's not proven, but like also it's free, so I mean, if that's any more convincing. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!